we have already learnt about adverbs, and we know that adverbs describe a verb, an adjective or another adverb. They give more meaning and information to a sentence. Now let us read this example. The mango is very sweet. Now in this sentence, the word very is modifying the adjective sweet. Hence, very is an adverb, and this adverb is telling us how much sweet the mango is. So it is telling us about the degree or the intensity of sweetness. Hence, this adverb is known as an adverb of degree. She has almost finished her work. Now in this sentence, almost is modifying the verb finished. Hence it is an adverb, and it is also telling us the degree or intensity of finishing her work or of the verb. Hence this is an adverb of degree. He runs rather fast. Now in this sentence, the word rather is modifying the adverb fast. Fast is modifying the verb runs. So rather is an adverb, and rather is also telling us about the degree or the intensity of the adverb of fast. Hence, rather is an adverb of degree. So what is an adverb of degree? An adverb of degree tells us about the intensity or the degree of an action, an adjective or another adverb. When we say action, we are referring to a verb. It always answers the question how much, in what degree or to what extent. He hardly stays home during the weekends. So hardly here is modifying the verb stays, and it is also telling us the degree of the verb stays. Hence it is an adverb of degree. He writes too slowly. In this sentence, too is an adverb of degree because it is modifying another adverb, slowly. Now slowly is modifying the verb writes, and it is also telling us about the degree of the adverb slowly. Hence it is an adverb of degree. This place is peaceful enough to meditate. Now in this sentence, enough is modifying the adjective peaceful, and it is also telling us how peaceful it is. It is telling us the degree of the adjective. Hence it is an adverb of degree. Now let us do this exercise. Fill in the blank with an appropriate adverb of degree. The situation is dash serious, and the options given to us are very, just, almost. Now all the options given to us are adverbs of degree. So which option is the fittest for our sentence? Let us see. Now can we say the situation is almost serious? We never say that. So this is not a correct option. Can we say the situation is just serious? We never use just in such a way. Hence this is not the correct option. So our correct option is very, and our sentence is the situation is very serious. So today we have revised about the adverb of degree, what it is and how we use it in our sentences. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So learning at Delta Step is not just fun and easy, it is also rewarding. So register for free now.